Good afternoon, Elad Cohen, principal, wow, that sounds weird, of Tempest Health and Wellness. I am a physical therapist here in Denver, and I thought I would talk to you guys about how I train my jaw. So there are a lot of videos going on the internet about how to train your jawline. You can't train your jawline. You can lose body fat, and you can train your jaw, and those are two separate things. So training your jaw probably doesn't contribute much to kind of your facial appearance. A lot of that is just body fat percentage and genetics, unfortunately. But training your jaw is a really good idea for just general maintenance of your jaw. It's like any other part of your body. So if it's loaded regularly, it tends to be healthier, right? It tends to be more robust. It's just like any other muscle or joint in your body. So before I show you how to train your jaw, it's helpful to know what your jaw really does. Now, little caveat, I am not a TMJ physical therapist yet, but I have done some quick treatments for jaws because I have had patients who have come in for neck pain or something like that I've been working with at their place, and they also have some accompanying jaw stuff. And in a lot of cases, just getting the jaw moving again the way it's supposed to more or less has taken care of their problem. In some cases, they need, sort of referral to somebody else, but most of the time, actually, just training your jaw works. So let's talk about what that looks like. Your jaw does the following movements. I can open my jaw, I can close my jaw, I can wiggle it side to side, and I can move my teeth forward and backward like that, okay, from the side, like that. So it's nice to have a way to train your jaw that you can just do in your car, at your office, whatever, that just requires your hands and nothing else. So this is how it looks. The first thing we're going to work on is opening our jaw. So you have to hold your head still, but I'm going to apply some pressure like this, and then I open. Like that. One thing you'll notice is I'm opening quickly and I'm closing slowly. And then side to side, like this. Okay, or the other way. Okay. It's important when you do this that you don't use too much pressure to start off with. Just start with enough force that you start to feel some resistance and gradually work your way up towards sets where you actually can approach failure. Let's look at biting. So people say you can't train your jaw in terms of bite without an aid. That's not true. If I put my hand on my chin like this, and I push down, that forces my jaw open, okay? So I'm going to resist that by biting. So I go like this, and I bite. Okay, that's biting. It's kind of similar for retraction, except instead of pushing down, I push back. So I go like this, or I use my fingertips. Go like this. That forces my jaw back. And I can just do those at a red light while I'm driving, and that trains all of the basic movements of the jaw. You can train this near failure. You may not have to though. Honestly, if this is just for sort of pain relief purposes, you may find that less is more. The other thing about doing this is that I really do recommend working your way up slowly. Most people have never trained their bite before. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to put them down below or shoot me a direct message on anything really. Email works very nicely. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day.